Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, Mr. Love You, morning.
Mayong puntak.
Are you happy, love? Are you happy that we come here in the resort?
Oo.
It's very quiet, no? It's not too much people here. So, I think we will
It's
enjoy
not
this
easy to
day.
drive when it's raining
Yeah.
with the motorcycle.
Actually,
It's not
gaulan diri guys. Ulan siya, oh. Nice kay lang pool, guys, oh. Blue. So, mag-order ko guys and magbayad ko sa dili ko makaan. Mag-order ko and then kay 11 na madari, almost 11 na. So mag-order ko og food and mabayad ko sa entrance. So semester sa akong pa vlogon guys. See you later.
Hi guys, we stay here in the Dauhai. This is a resort in the mountains by Valencia, high in the mountains. It's not so easy to drive for the motorcycle because it's very slippery. This is also in the near from the Ukai River. The Ukai River is direct here to see. Here in the resort is this small house where you can live a little. Here is a very nice I see here. And here is the Ukai River. And this is the swimming pool from the resort. The swimming pool is finished. I think this is a new resort. In the moment I drink the coffee and eat the cake, and my wife paid the entrance in the moment, and then we order eat for the lunch. Come, the raining is strong now. Now my wife is coming. She paid the entrance in the moment. Hallo. This is my wife.
Guten Tag. So guys, we are here.
I show the people in the moment.
We are here at Dauhai Resort.
Dauhai. Oh.
So, look at here guys. To the guys, the very nice swimming pool
Oh.
that I ever seen.
This is
Very nice. I think this is the first one that we see.
Yeah.
That is nice, huh?
Yeah. Here's for the kids a little.
Yeah.
It's
That's good for me.
here. It's very cold the water.
Yeah.
How much you pay for the entrance, my love?
No, I did not pay.
Why? We the first people what showed there.
No, I
No.
did not pay already
Okay.
because. Hi.
Huh? Breakfast ka?
A breakfast? Mga unsa man ang lunch?
We want the lunch dong.
Okay. So here are the menu.
It's not
Yeah,
coming
right
on
now
you.
guys, it's very cold and me when I stay under the water, I feel like freezing inside is because it's very cold. And maybe later I will change my clothes because I am not able to swim like this. I wear a dress in the moment, so I will go to the CR and change my clothes. So see you guys later for lunch. Hi guys. So, mani among lunch guys kay di pa man sila makaluto og lunch gyud nga main dish. So, what do you have, love? Can you tell me what you have?
Egg, rice, beef,
Corned beef,
corned beef, and vegetable
salad,
salad.
or achara. And what is this? Guys, free ni siya,
Coffee.
guys.
This is
Yeah.
free.
This is free, guys.
this?
Doha. This one, I think it's like mango. Tropical? I don't know, but I
I
don't
think-
know what's
It's
good
spicy.
taste. Spicy.
Little.
Ooh. Wow. Hi, love. My husband is so happy, huh? It's like cloudy here in the mountain, guys. So my husband, I think, will not enjoy this day because there's no sun, and then he didn't like when it's raining, guys, because
Oh.
he cannot enjoy the day.
Mm.
So same kami ni Mr. guys, rice, egg, salad, and corned beef. Nice kilang kutsara, guys. Oh, gold. Wala ko yung ngani sa balay. So kani nga coffee, guys, free ra na siya. Okay, gaulan man sa diri, guys. So nami free
Yeah.
coffee.
You have to eat now.
I will eat na.
Maybe it's booked now.
Lunch time. I think this is native coffee, lang.
I think also.
This is native coffee. It's good. What? I take a review.
You also akong asaba native.
Yes, because I'm Filipino.
Jesus.
No, the unit is coming.
Wally hook. Give me the sun. 1 hour this day. Wally hook.
The people see.
Yes?
Yeah.
Because here is booked now. I think 22 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dili man good. Spicy eh.
Hmm.
I eat that.
Why?
I don't like egg.
Why?
Because it's included, man.
You can tell the woman, die.
It's the same
I
price.
don't want egg.
It's the
Wally
same.
hook.
It's the same price. Okay.
Maybe you becomes for this a native coffee or a second from this. Huh? Huh? I eat too much eggs, guys. Maybe I have to make boom boom this evening.
Buang mo kamalab.
Dili buang. Akong asaba.
Kahit mo ka buang. Makita itong naong diri kayo sa ilang gold na spoon. You can see yourself, my love. Use that one.
I cannot see me.
Yes.
I know.
A few moments later.
Hi guys.
Hello, guys.
Nag-ulan dari guys sa resort. So di pa may makamole pag gumanan magkaon. We just finished our lunch and then we wait as well the rain will stop so we can go swimming.
Yes. We go swimming together.
Yeah. So ayan guys, kusog kaayo ilang ulan dari. Ulan. Ayo. You look nice, oh. So guys,
Hansa.
guwapo. Rain or shine, guys, naagihapon mi diri sa resort, no? And then naglaag-laag gihapon. So guys, I think we're going to swim na. We're good to swim na, guys, because there's no rain now. Only a little. Let's go, love.
Okay, ra.
Swimming. See
Let's
you
go.
guys.
See you later, alligator. Mai. Kanina mahilog. Yes, you look stone. Good, good. Good. Paper inside?
A few moments later.
So guys, we're going home because ulan kaayo. And then nag-take out ko sa ilahang dessert. Tropika. Ayan si Mr. So guys, muli na mi view dra sa mountain oh. Fog kay no. Tungod kay ulan. I know, dili oy. Pabitaw. Trapod guys oh.
They go on the river here.
Aya. Manaas ito sa river guys. Awa guys. Kadang manal river diri oh.
Ukoy.
Ukoy?
Ukoy.
Yes.
Not ukay. Ukay. Ukoy.
Ukoy. So, love. You want to say bye? Come.
Oh.
Come here. So guys, if you like watching this video, please don't forget to like,
Subscribe and
click. Bye guys, thank you so
nice
much.
resort, or when it's so booked now.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Bye. God bless.